durable as diamonds are, we know that it's the hardest. Forever.
Why can't the world shift to grown diamonds then?
Well,
it's more sustainable, more eco-friendly.
Many people have. It's a global trend where there's a movement happening towards grown diamonds, and that's the reason we have Okera, which was launched in India very recently.
But how can I just...
It's because there is no difference. We have a machine, which is the first machine, picks up the nitrogen in the stone, and therefore that's how you can tell mine from drone. And you'll be surprised.